In today's video, I'm going to show you Wyze Bulb Cam review. Is $50 light bulb camera worth it? The Wyze Bulb Cam stands out because it combines a security camera and a light bulb into one simple package that screws into a standard E26 socket, so you don't need extra wiring, outlets, or charging. Many reviewers highlight its strong points. It delivers 2K HD video resolution, a wide 160 degrees field of view, and color night vision, which together make for surprisingly good clarity, both by day and at night, for a bulb-based camera. Users installing it on Porsches or entryways appreciate that it doubles as a bright 800 lumen LED light, plus a motion-activated security cam with two-way audio, local microSD storage, no subscription required for basic recording, and smart home integration, Alexa, Google Home, IFTTT. Despite these strengths, the Bulb Cam has notable limitations that make some users skeptical about calling it a great deal. For one, the camera is fixed, there is no motorized pan or tilt, so if you screw the bulb in at a certain angle, changing the view requires physically twisting the bulb. Some owners feel the value is low for the roughly $60 or $50 they paid because there are rotating smart bulb cameras on the market at cheaper prices, some with auto tracking or adjustable views. Practical issues also come up frequently. A portion of users report problems with motion detection, both false alerts, rustling leaves triggering the camera, and missed events, which undermines dependability. A few Reddit users reported hardware issues such as SD card failures or light flicker or LED malfunction after short periods of use. For example, one noted strange buzzing noise, and another said the camera stopped detecting motion altogether after a few weeks. In conclusion, Wyze Bulb Cam is best thought of as a budget-friendly, convenience-oriented security or light solution, rather than a full-feature, professional-grade surveillance camera. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.